Are you tired of distractions while designing in Canva? Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to work in full screen mode so you can focus completely on your creative flow. Working in full screen in Canva is simple and can make a huge difference in your design process. The quickest way is to look at the bottom right of your editor. You'll see an icon with two diagonal arrows. Clicking this instantly expands your canvas, letting you see your work without anything else on the screen. This is perfect if you want a clean, distraction-free workspace. But that's not the only way. You can also go full screen through the top right menu. Just select Present and then choose Present Full Screen. This opens your design in presentation mode, which is especially useful if you want to see how your work will appear in its final form. Both methods give you a larger view and a more immersive design experience, helping you focus better and make more precise adjustments. Whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, or any other visuals, working in full screen mode helps you stay in the zone and take your designs to the next level. So next time you're in Canva, try these simple tricks to maximize your workspace and design like a pro. You'll be amazed at how much easier it is to focus and create stunning visuals.